Hey guys, hopefully the sound works this time. I I put on I put my camera on even though I'm doing the screen. I put the camera on because my sound wasn't working for some reason. I'm not sure what was going on with it. And sorry. Anyway, so my sound hadn't been working. I tried it a couple times. It was acting goofy. I'm flipping around the TV. For those of you who do you look at my different styles of videos and stuff when I do my sports card stuff. I just saw a show on Channel 39, which is the Pittsburgh channel, and it was called The Card Life. So if you guys want to check that out, I just clicked it on the internet to see if they had anything on it, and they did. It's actually in its second season, so it had 12 episodes the first year, which was last year, and now I don't know if it was the fourth or the fifth episode was on TV today. So I couldn't believe it. I saw that. I was like, and then I'm clicking. I was like, there was three things. I was watching something. I clicked. I saw something else I wanted to watch. Clicked. My Vikings are playing on TV, which never happens. Maybe twice a year. And then something else. Oh, and then that card thing was on. I was like, you got to be kidding me. And I'm watching this Vikings game. Guy goes. He runs to the 42-yard line. The scum referees mark him at the 43. Then they go 10 yards. The next play, they mark him down 9 yards. They take a yard off them every play. It's ridiculous. It's like I don't understand how like something's not done about like them fixing games and cheating and stuff. After watching that, three straight plays, them screwing them out of a yard each time. I don't think the Vikings have a chance to win this game. So maybe someone made a big bet on Buffalo. Who knows? It was goddamn pass interference. Let's see if they call it. All right. Anyways, this is going to be a test. I want to make sure that the sound works. I wanted to talk about that baseball card life thing. These guys will probably. And they. Pass interference on the Vikings. Offensive pass interference. What a joke. All right. Like I said, I'm probably gonna shut this off. When I see them cheating like this, I don't even watch the game. I get too pissed off over nothing. Over something where these idiots actually they ruin a good sport by fixing stuff. It's a joke. Anyways, I'm gonna stop this video now. Sorry for 3 minutes of stupid me talking about something that doesn't matter. Oh, here, before I go here, this is what I was trying to say that last video that didn't work when it said, this is a test. I've got 2nd and goal from the 18. These idiots are going to run a 2-yard screenplay. Yeah, good choice. Morons. All right, here. I got the dark spirit summoning sphere and the light spirit summoning sphere, and then I got, where's it at? And then I got, what the heck? I don't know what happened to it. Oh, it's up here, I think. Where did I see? I saw it here somewhere. There it is. I got the lesser elemental spirit summoning sphere. So, yeah, that's not pass interference though, right? Scumbags. The Vikings guy's in the end zone with his arms out like, are you kidding me? He got smacked about 3 seconds before the ball came. What a joke. Anyways, look, grab, hold, grab, grabbing his shirt, hold, hit him early. He interfered like, he's holding his jersey like a scum. Yeah, great hold by Pete Jackson. Laugh, scumbag. announcer laughing, thinking it's funny that they get away with that shit. What a joke. That's why I don't like to watch the NFL. The NFL's a bunch of rigged scum bullshit that goes on. It's scum. That's why I don't even I really don't watch it. I've watched 2 games this year. Both times the Vikings were actually on TV. I watched a little bit of a Giants game that 1 week too, but that was for like maybe 5 minutes. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do a video with these 3 things getting opened up. So yeah, I guess as a fan, I'm supposed to say, oh, Minnesota kicked a field goal. At least we got 3 points. Now, how about fuck you? He interfered with them in the end zone. He kept grabbing him and holding him and hit him before the ball came. Why don't you fucking call that? You called goddamn pass interference on the Vikings the play before. What a joke. Scumbag cheaters. But it's fixed, so I know I should go up to the casino and make a bet on Buffalo. Like a halftime bet or something. Because when you see them marking, guy will get 13 yards and they only mark him for 11.5, or guy makes 15 yards, they mark him for 14. They nickel and dime you for a half or a full yard every single play. Like when Notre Dame played Ohio State and they were beating them the whole game. Then all of a sudden, Ohio State got the ball either late in the third or early in the fourth. And every single time Ohio State ran a play, they got an extra half a yard, 1 yard, 2 yards, 2.5 yards, 3 yards. It was ridiculous. They gave them 18 extra yards spotting during that drive. They only had to get like 8 yards for a first down the whole drive. It was a joke. And then as soon as Ohio State took the lead, Notre Dame quit like a bunch of babies. And then they got beat like, I think it was close. I think it was like I don't know, like 24-13 or something like that. Or maybe it was 21-10 or something. But Notre Dame was beating them the whole game until they cheated. So, football's a joke. I don't even watch it really much anymore. Alright, I'll be back. Hopefully the sound works, but if it does, you'll be mad at me for complaining about referees cheating, which they always do. I can't stand watching NBA or NFL. It's such a joke. Go to NFLshop.com for special offer.